High in the Ethiopian highlands, there's a village unlike any other. This is Awra Amba, a community built on principles of equality and shared prosperity. Located 73 kilometers from Bahir Dar, it's home to about 463 people. They've chosen a different path, one that challenges tradition and embraces progress.
I believe that out there we can find amongst educated people very kind, humane, and empathetic personalities. I have been working hard to reach such people.
Zumra's vision took root in the Ethiopian highlands, a place where his ideas could flourish and grow. He founded Awra Amba.
I believe I was inspired by the Almighty. If it wasn't for God's grace, I wouldn't have overcome the many challenges I faced and succeeded.
Awra Amba is an intentional community. This means people have come together with a shared purpose. They want to live in a fair and just society. Life in Awra Amba is about collaboration, not competition. The villagers believe in the power of unity and hard work. They have created a self-sufficient community where everyone contributes. Awra Amba is a testament to what can be achieved when people work together for a common good.
Standing in this town, I can see the charms. The average Ethiopian villager must view this place as having all the answers.
The story of Awra Amba is inseparable from its founder, Zumra Nuru, a visionary who dared to dream of a different world. Born in a time of widespread poverty and inequality, Zumra had a vision for a better future, one where everyone could live with dignity and respect. He believed in a society free from discrimination and exploitation, where people of all backgrounds could come together and work towards common goals.
The utopian town of Awra Amba.
As a sanctuary for equality and social justice, a place where his ideals could be put into practice. His teachings emphasized the importance of shared labor, gender equality, and rejecting harmful traditions that held people back. Zumra's ideas were radical for their time, challenging the status quo and offering a new way of thinking. He challenged the rigid social structures that perpetuated poverty and injustice, advocating for a more inclusive and fair society. His message resonated with many who yearned for a more equitable society, inspiring them to join his cause. Zumra Nuru's legacy lives on in the heart of Awra Amba, a thriving community that stands as a testament to his vision. His teachings continue to guide the community, shaping their daily lives and interactions. They are a testament to the power of one person's vision to bring about lasting change, showing that with determination and unity, a better world is possible.
It all began in my parents' household, especially the inequality I saw between my father and my mother. While both were indispensable and equally important for the family, there was no equality between them. My father used to behave like the master and my mother like a nanny to all of us, including my father. This made me think about gender equality.
One of the most striking aspects of Awra Amba is its commitment to gender equality. In a country where traditional gender roles often limit opportunities for women, Awra Amba stands apart. Here, women and men share equal responsibilities and rights. Women in Awra Amba are farmers, weavers, leaders, and decision-makers. They are not confined to the domestic sphere. They actively participate in all aspects of community life. This commitment to gender equality is not just a matter of principle, it's a way of life.
The other issue is what I observed about children's upbringing. From a very early age, children are assigned burdensome chores that don't take their age into consideration. When they fail to do them, they face severe admonishment and beating. Why does such cruelty exist? Why don't adults take the age of kids into consideration? To me, that was unfair.
From childhood, boys and girls are raised to value each other's contributions. They learn that their potential is not limited by their gender. The result is a community where women are empowered and respected. Awra Amba's model of gender equality is a beacon of hope, not just for Ethiopia, but for the world. Awra Amba is a testament to the power of collective effort. The community thrives on the principles of shared labor and resource management. Everyone contributes and everyone benefits. Villagers work together to cultivate crops and manage livestock, selling their surplus to generate income. The fruits of their labor are shared equitably among community members. Awra Amba has a unique system of resource distribution that ensures everyone has access to basic necessities. This fosters a spirit of solidarity and eliminates the stark disparities often seen in the outside world. Life in Awra Amba is not about individual gain. It's about collective well-being. The community's success is a testament to the power of cooperation and shared responsibility. Facing challenges, staying strong. The path to progress is rarely smooth, and Awra Amba's journey has been no exception. The community has faced its share of challenges, both internal and external. One of the biggest hurdles has been resistance from neighboring communities. Awra Amba's progressive values, particularly its stance on gender equality and rejection of certain traditions, have been met with suspicion and hostility. Resource constraints are another challenge. Awra Amba's remote location and limited access to resources make development an ongoing struggle. The community has had to be resourceful and innovative to overcome these limitations. Despite these obstacles, Awra Amba remains resilient. The community's strong sense of purpose and unwavering commitment to its values have helped it weather storms. Section 6, Education. The key to progress. Awra Amba recognizes that education is the cornerstone of progress. In this unique community, learning is not just a priority but a way of life. The community places a high value on learning and has established its own school. This school is a beacon of hope and knowledge for the children. Here, children receive a quality education that emphasizes critical thinking, problem-solving, and social responsibility. The curriculum is designed to foster a love for learning and to prepare students for the challenges of the future. Education in Awra Amba is not just about academic excellence, it is about holistic development, nurturing both the mind and the heart. It's about empowering the next generation to become agents of change. Students are encouraged to think independently and to take initiative in their learning and in their community. Children are taught the importance of equality, sustainability, and community development. These values are woven into every aspect of their education. The community understands that education is an investment in the future. Parents and teachers work together to create a supportive and enriching environment for the students. By nurturing the minds of their children, they are ensuring the long-term sustainability and success of Awra Amba. The community's efforts are paying off as the children grow into well-rounded individuals. The community's dedication to education is evident in its literacy rate, which is significantly higher than the national average. This achievement is a testament to the hard work and commitment of everyone involved. Awra Amba's children are growing up equipped with the knowledge and skills to create a brighter future for themselves and their community. They are the hope and promise of a better tomorrow.
The utopian town of Awra Amba.
Section 7. Open doors to the world. While Awra Amba is a self-sufficient community, it is not isolated from the outside world. The community welcomes visitors who are curious to learn about their unique way of life. They see tourism as an opportunity to share their story and generate income. Visiting Awra Amba is a chance to experience a different pace of life. Guests can interact with community members, learn about their traditions, and witness firsthand the power of collective action. The community has basic accommodation facilities for visitors. Local guides offer tours that provide insights into Awra Amba's history, values, and daily life. Visitors are encouraged to engage respectfully and contribute to the community's economy by purchasing locally made crafts. Section 8. A model for change. Awra Amba is more than just a village. It's a powerful example of what's possible when people come together to build a better future. Their commitment to equality, sustainability, and social justice offers a refreshing alternative to the individualism and competition that often characterize modern society. The community's success challenges conventional notions of development. Awra Amba demonstrates that true progress is not just about economic growth, but also about social justice, environmental responsibility, and human well-being. Awra Amba's story is an inspiration. It shows that change is possible even in the face of adversity. Their journey is a testament to the power of human spirit and the potential for creating a more just and equitable world. Section 9. Visit Awra Amba. Experience the difference. Awra Amba welcomes you to experience their unique way of life. This village, nestled in the heart of Ethiopia, is a testament to the power of unity and shared vision. Come witness firsthand the power of collective action, the beauty of equality, and the warmth of genuine hospitality. Here, everyone works together, sharing responsibilities and reaping the benefits as a community. Your visit will not only be an enriching experience, but also a chance to support a community that is making a real difference. By engaging with the locals, you will learn about their innovative approaches to social justice, gender equality, and sustainable living. To plan your visit to Awra Amba, you can contact the community directly or reach out to tour operators specializing in ethical and community-based tourism. These operators can provide you with detailed itineraries and ensure that your visit is both enjoyable and impactful. Awra Amba Community PO Box 36, Fogera Warada, South Gondar Zone, Amhara Region, Ethiopia. The community is always eager to welcome new visitors and share their story. Tell +25 191 370 1756 or +25 191 8 21 46 02 English. Feel free to reach out for any inquiries or to arrange your visit. Come discover Awra Amba, a beacon of hope and inspiration in the heart of Ethiopia. This is more than just a visit. It's an opportunity to be part of a movement that values human dignity, cooperation, and progress.